So hello everyone, today I'll be starting the NSSB, how to apply for NSSB. So first go to NSSB, go to apply now and click continue. And after this you'll be directed to the NSSB website. So now go to get started and apply the post which is in your preference. So if you are a graduate, you can apply for LDA computer assistant if you have computer degree, and second is insect collector, and whichever your preferred post is, you apply their family welfare assistant. And this post is for those who are graduate and have computer certificate. So kindly select the post that you're applicable for. And first of all, before applying for the post, write down which post you want to apply for, and mention the item number as well as the code for each department. So it will be needing you will be needing the code. So with this, the post, if you're a graduate, will be you will have to select everything, and according to the department, according to the post selected, you have to select the department. And suppose if you are going for LDA computer assistant in the health and family welfare, so you have to select the health and family welfare. And if all items are this are in your department, then you can select all selected. So we can write applicant full name, and you can also select the date of birth. And don't do mistake while entering the details, especially the Gmail and also the mobile number as well as the alternative mobile number. So kindly input the Gmail, your mail, as well as the phone number. And you can also give alternative phone number, because if your account is blocked or your account has lost, then you can enter with your phone number. And gender also, and marital status, mother's name, father's name, whatever your certificate is, you have to enter according to this. So father's name you can enter according to your certificate, and mother's name also. And indigenous inhabitant of Nagaland, you can select yes. And there is a column called indigenous inhabitant of Nagaland. So I'll request you all to update your indigenous certificate, and on the top left of your certificate there will be a number, your registration number. So you kindly enter this, and the date of entering the certificate also is the same for the scheduled tribe. And religion, you can select Christian, nationality Indian, and subcategory others. And address, you put your permanent address. So what you have to be careful while inputting the permanent and correspondent address, because it will determine your exam center. So correspondence address you can put, if you're a resident of Dimapur, you can put Dimapur and state is Nagaland. And permanent address will be your where your family belong. So suppose you are from Kohima, so you can enter Kohima, and you can enter the pin code 797001. Don't mistake the pin code. And exam preference will be given according to your permanent address and correspondence address. So after selecting both the district, you have to agree and save next. So after saving next, ekta SMS ho tila phone register phone number de, and go to apply now, click on continue and click on login. So the SMS will contain your login ID and password. So I'm entering my login ID with 300662, and password will be given in the SMS. So if you log in, you will find your preference of job, whatever you have applied for, and the cost is only 100 rupees. So after this, you can even modify your choice. That is, if you think that you have not selected the good what you preferred, you can also modify. And this modification is provided because many aspirants are making mistakes in applying, in choosing the form. So I will suggest you to make a chart, and whatever post you preferred, you put there, and there will not be any mistake. So save and continue. So you have to select, you have to input everything, whatever the option is saying, because if you miss out anything, you will not be able to continue with the application. And you can even modify your paper. So the post applied will be provided, and certificate number will be provided. And so whatever you're choosing, the suppose Bachelor of Pharmacy, then you have to enter the certificate number and the date of issue. The certificate number will be provided like registration number, and certificate issue date will be the date when the certificate was issued. So you should not miss out anything. And some aspirants are saying that HSLC diploma and HSLC and diploma is equivalent or not. So I've inquired in the NSSB and they are working on it. So whoever has only diploma and no HSLC, kindly wait and be patient. So as you can see, you have to enter the certificate number like this, and kindly don't miss out any certificate number. Whatever your certificate is, you should mention your certificate number. So the certificate number will be same for, if you are a graduate, you will have to enter the certificate number for HSLC as well as your graduation certificate number. So don't miss out anything. And whatever option is provided, suppose two HSLC and HSLC is provided, so you can either enter any one of them. And don't make mistakes while entering the date of birth, date of issue also. So this will be a very crucial step in determining your selection. So never miss out anything. And if you feel like you have mistake, so kindly re-examine your application before submitting, before paying, because once you have paid, there's no coming back. You cannot bring back your document, and if double register, and it will create a big headache for the NSSB organizers. As I have talked with them, they have said that once you have submitted, you cannot, and I repeat, you cannot change your application number. So kindly be careful enough while you are selecting your certificate. So save, next, and kindly enter your photo, and the photo must be less than 200 KB, and you can edit in the MS Pen. You can edit an MS Pen, and you can even preview your signature. And after this, you can go to save and next. So save and next, you will be directed to your post, and you can view your certificate number. Kindly register this much and go to proceed payment, and after proceeding payment, you will be provided in pay online. So for here, you have to enter your card number, and after registration, a SMS will be provided for your NSSB, and only 100 rupees is the cost. So I hope you understood something. Thank you for watching, and have a great time.